Hi friends, my name is RAJASEKHAR Reddy, and if you are seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. In earlier videos we have seen one-way data binding, but in this particular video we are going to see two-way data binding and how exactly we are going to implement in two-way data binding. The two-way data binding is nothing but whatever the data you entered in the HTML, it should it should reflect in the component, and whatever the data you have changed in the component, it should reflect in the HTML as well. We call this as two-way data binding. And if you want the one-way data binding, we have seen whatever the title you have in the component file, the same we are showing in the HTML file. But what exactly two-way data binding? Let me show with an example what I'm trying to. There are different components we have created earlier videos. What I will do is I am trying to open the app component.ts, and let me write one variable here. The variable I am using is something like message equal to, I am giving my message I am giving. And if you want to see the same variable in the HTML file, just go to your app.html. Just let me remove this one here, app student here. What I will do is, you know that data binding. By using data binding, I am going to show you message. Let me save it. Let me start my server. ng server -- open. It is trying to compile. You can see that welcome to Angular, and my message is showing here. But whatever the data I am entering the HTML, it should also reflect in the component. For that, what I will do is, let me write a component here. Let me write a form here. Form input type equal to text, and value equal to giving as message. And in order to reflect the same value here, I am using the like this. What are the value available in the message, it will show in there. Okay, it is compiled. You can see that there is input message. Whatever the message you have, the same message I am saying, but I am entering some value, but it is not showing, but it is not reflecting in the component. It is not changing in the component file. For that, what we need to do is, there is a predefined one concept is introduced, that is nothing but ng model. ng model we need to use, and let me save it. It is trying to compile. Now nothing it is showing. Why it is not showing is, we need to import forms module in the app module.ts. For the app module.ts, here we need to import that forms module here. Forms module. What I will do is, let me import that one. Give this name here, forms module. Change the name to forms. Now it is trying to compile. Now you can see that it is showing the forms here. What I will do is, let me add some values here. you can see that the data is reflecting the component as well. Let me remove and I will write my name here, RAJASEKHAR Reddy. Whatever the name you have written in the input file, the same data is reflecting the component. We call it as two-way data binding, and it will be dynamic. And let me write. You can see that now it's working as expected. RAJASEKHAR Reddy. You can see that whatever the data you entered in the input form, the same data is reflecting in the component file also. We call it as two-way data binding. What I have done is I imported one module that is nothing but form module, and in my component I am giving some message. I taken one variable message, and in the app component.ts what I have done is there is a predefined module that is nothing but ng module we need to use in order to bind the data whatever you are entering in the form. The same data, so if you want to reflect in the component also, we will use this data binding that is nothing but ng model. And that's it for this video. And if you are seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, and I will place all my source code in the GitHub also. Thank you friends. Thank you.